Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School channel. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you 3rd standard English. Isn't it, students? Okay, now what we are going to start with the first lesson. That is, name of the lesson is Robbie's Railroad. Okay, what is, when I say this railroad, what do you think? What do you strike in your mind? It is railway. I am going to talk about the railway. Are you all know? Yes, you all know, everybody. You go your railway station, isn't it? To go your home or your grandmother's house, grandpa's house, isn't it? Yes, to visit some other places also. So, do you like railways? Yes, everybody like to visit in railway. Okay, then when you say the railway, you imagine, okay, you imagine that you got a one railway ticket of Golden ticket. What you will do? You will be happy or you will be unhappy? You will be sad? No, of course you will be very happy. They have given like a surprise, isn't it, students? It is like a surprise. So with a ticket we can go to any place, isn't it? Okay, so in this story, in this lesson also the same thing it happens. So let us see what is there. So first we will go for the audio.
Robbie's Railroad. Robbie lived in the city near the train station. His favorite thing was to watch the trains come and go outside his window at different times of the day. He never got tired of watching them. In the summer, Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray on their farm. Robbie was very happy for the first 2 days. Everything was different from the city. It was all so new and interesting. Then, one day, Robbie heard a train whistle in the distance. He ran to his mother and asked, "When can we go home, Mother, so that I can see the trains again?" "Soon," she said. Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked terribly upset every time he heard the whistle. Grandpa Ray loved his grandson very much and did not like to see him unhappy. Grandpa Ray thought about what he could do to make Robbie happy. Then he had an idea. He bought some wood and connected all his tools. Then he called Robbie out to the orchard in front of the house and they began to work. Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track all around the orchard. Then he built a railway carriage, a platform on wheels, with seats for 3 passengers. The carriage would move along the track, just like a real train. Robbie could stop and start it by pressing on or letting go of the brake. Mother came out with a little bell. Robbie and Grandpa climbed into the carriage. The bell rang. Robbie let go of the brake and the carriage moved along the track. Robbie waved happily to his mother and Grandma as Grandpa steered the train. All the children in the neighborhood came to see Robbie's railroad. Everyone got to ride on the train with Robbie. The train ran from morning until night, just like in the city. "Grandpa, you are the kindest, dearest, and best grandpa in the world," said Robbie when the summer ended. "I can't wait to come back here."
Okay, students, so we have seen that audio, isn't it? We have completed. Now I will read in the lesson. So what you need to do is take your book, take a textbook, canopy book, page number 1, and where I will read, you also go through that. You have to keep finger on that. So let me start, students. Okay, so we'll go at page number, everybody open page number 1, that is Robbie's Railroad. I'm going to read, you all keep your finger on that words. Now, Robbie lived in the city. Where does Robbie live? He lived in a city near the train station. Where is train station, students? Here underline your word train station, where a trains will stay. All railways will come and stay there. We have in a station. His favorite thing was to watch the trains come and go outside his window at different times of the day. Yes students, where's the railway? It will come and go. So Robbie always liked to watch. Okay, Robbie always liked to watch the trains as it come and go. He never tired of seeing that. So he never got tired. Tired means students, he never bored. Okay, he never boring or he was never tired to watching them. He loves to see. In the summer, as in the students, summer season comes, what do? You all go to your villages or you go to hill stations, vacations to enjoy those holidays. So as Robbie also, he got summer season. So what Robbie is there? Robbie and his mother decided to go to their grandpa's house. Robbie's grandpa and grandmother. Grandpa and grandma house. Who are going? Robbie and his mother. Robbie was happy. Well, everybody will happy, no? Yes, as Robbie also very happy as he was going to their grandpa's and grandmother's house. So he was very happy, and it was first 2 days as they went. First day really enjoyed because in villages will be very different from the cities. All be having trees, some all them. So in first 2 days, Robbie was very happy. Everything was different from the city. Yes, we have everything advanced in the city. In villages, no. So he saw that all the different things are there. So he was very happy. It was also new and interesting. What he saw there, Robbie saw, were all new for him. Okay, and was interesting too. Then one day, after a 3rd day, as the things are going, one day Robbie listened to a train whistle. Whistle means what, students? As you all whistle, na? That is whistle. W-H-I-S-T-L-E. Whistle in the distance. Robbie, when he's staying in the village, he heard a noise. Okay, whistle noise. There in the distance, very far away. He ran to his mother. Because Robbie, what he loves? To watch the train, isn't it? As soon as he heard the noise of the whistle, what he did? He ran. As he was running, ran to the mother and asked, when can we go home? He asked to the mother, Mama, when can we go home? Why he was asking this question, student? Because he want to see the trains again. So mother, what she has replied? Mother, so that I can see the trains again. Why he want to go? He want to see the trains again. So mother said, soon. Mother said, as soon as possible. We will go. Soon, she said. So students, turn the page. In the next page you have to do, that is page number 2. What you have to do? Grandpa Ray. Okay, now grandpa name is Ray here. Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked terribly upset. Underline the word terribly upset here. As grandpa was seeing him, grandpa was watching him. So what as soon as Robbie was talking to his mother, he saw seen by the grandpa Ray. He noticed all the things, and then as Robbie was very sad now. Because he cannot see the trains. So what to do? Every time he heard the whistle. So he terribly upset means he was very sad. He was very sad because he cannot see the trains. And oftenly he can listen to the whistle. So that time, every time he heard that whistle sound, he want to go to the city as he want to watch the train. So grandpa loved his grandson. Everybody, all the grandparents, they love their kids, isn't it? Grandsons. So here grandpa Ray also noticed, because Robbie was very sad. So what he decided? He loved his grandson so much. So what he was decided? Then he was very decided to be. Grandpa thought about what he could do to make Robbie happy. So what Grandpa Ray was telling, that he was thinking himself, then what shall I do for Robbie to make happy? Okay, Grandpa Ray was thinking, what should I do to make Robbie happy? So then he had an idea. So in his mind he got an idea that what shall I do? He got an idea what I can do for it. He bought some wood. What he did, Grandpa, he brought some wood and collected all his tools. Now tools means here to make something, or to make a furniture, or to make a tool, or to make a railway. What he's doing? So he need all his tools now. Cutting pliers, nails, hammer, all these mechanical tools. He who brought here? Grandpa brought some wood and he's all collected his tools. Then he called Robbie. Robbie, come outside. He said like that. Out to the orchard. Means here orchard is a new word. Do you all underline this word? Orchard. Orchard is nothing but a place, like a garden place, where a small plants or shrubs can be cultivated or can be grown. Some fruit trees, an area where fruit trees are grown. So orchard, in that he kept wood and his tools and called the Robbie to come outside in front of the house. They began to work. What an idea it is! Very nice idea. Grandpa, he brought the wood and his tools and called Robbie. What they began to work? Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track. What they began to make? Railway track. Railway track is nothing but where trains go on that path. That is called railway track. Okay. Tracks, railway track all around the orchard. Okay, on that along he make a wooden track, railway track. Then they built a railway carriage. Now students, here what is carriage? Like what do you say? The carriage is the part of a train where passengers sit, where a place will be there and seating will be there. On that we can sit. That is called a carriage. A platform on wheels with seats for 3 passengers. So on that railway tracks, what the Robbie and his grandpa built, there on that they made a carriage. What is carriage, students, here? A part of a wheel, on that seats can be arranged. So where that seat passengers can be sitting. The carriage would move along the track. So what they have built? Here grandpa built a wooden railway track on that a carriage to make him happy. What they will do now? They will sit and go. So on the next page, that is page number 3. Like a real train, grandpa has prepared. Okay, Robbie would stop and start by pressing on or letting go for the brake. Brake means, students, what here? Brake means as a car will be having a cycle brake, when you stop, when you going it as because of a brake, we can stop or we can move slowly. Like a real train, grandpa has prepared a wooden railway track for the Robbie. Mother came out with a little bell. What mother came? What she brought? She brought a bell. What she will do with the bell? Yes, as she will ring, the railway or the track will move and it will stop. Robbie and grandpa climbed. Now climbed means, students, they have gone and sit up into the carriage. The bell rang. Mother was what she did? She bell the rang. As in school, when bell rings, what do? You come inside, isn't it? After the bell rings, you will go. So as the bell rang, the Robbie let go of the brake and the carriage moved along the track. What? As soon as the mother bell rang, Robbie with the help of brake, carriage moved along the track. Robbie waved happily. What is wave, students, here? Wave means waving hand. And when you you say happily, no? Bye bye, tata, you wave your hands, isn't it? So Robbie also waved very happily his hands to the mother and grandma as grandpa stayed. He was sitting there. What the grandpa was doing? As in the cars we can having steering wheel, isn't it? Round one, as in steer the train. So grandpa was riding the railway track. And Robbie, what did he? Robbie waved his hand happily. He was saying very happily to their grandma and mother, bye bye, happily, as grandpa was steering the train. All the children in the neighborhood, everybody, as soon as he was doing, all the children's neighbor, friends and everything, they came to see Robbie's railroad. Why they came, everyone? To see the Robbie's railroad. Everyone got to ride on the train. Everybody want to, I will sit, they are enjoying, so everyone they got chance to sit on the train with Robbie. The train ran from morning until night. In the cities, train will stop? No, it will continuously move. Isn't it? Morning or night. As in the same case here, Robbie was very happy and the train he was playing with that from morning until the night. Just like in the cities. As in the cities we having one train will go, next train will come, third train will go, continuously it will go. As the same case here, he was riding that. Grandpa, you are the kindest. Who said this word? Robbie. Robbie said that you are kindest, dearest and best grandpa. He was very happy because grandpa made this for him. So he was very happy. And he said all the words to the grandpa, that you are very kind, you was very dearest and the best grandpa in the world, said the Robbie. When the summer ended, as the summer finished, then what do? He will be back to home. That time he said that I can't wait to come back again. So as in summer finished, what said? He want to go to the city. So he said that as soon when summer will come, he was that much happy. He don't want to leave that village. He want to play with that train railroad track. So he said that I can't wait. I will not wait until the summer comes back again. So this is all about the Robbie's train, isn't it? You all enjoyed that? Yes, very good. I too enjoyed as he was very happy. So from this lesson, what do you understand, student? Yes, as grandparents, when you all go, they never see you upset, isn't it? They always make you happy. For your happiness, what they try to do all the things. Here in the same lesson, in this lesson, Robbie's grandpa, he cannot see Robbie's sadness. So he made wooden railway, isn't it? So for this, he was happily spended his holidays with the grandparents. So what do? So that much was happy and he never want to leave. As summer finished, he went back. Again he was telling that, grandpa, you are the most best grandpa in the world. Yes, everybody says no. Yes, even I too love my grandparents. So now this is about the lesson. Now we will go for animation, isn't it, students? So animation part.
Robbie's radio. Robbie lived in the city near the train station. His favorite thing was to watch the trains come and go outside his window at different times of the day. He never got tired of watching them. In the summer, Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray on their farm. Robbie was very happy for the first 2 days. Everything was different from the city. It was all so new and interesting. Then, one day, Robbie heard a train whistle in the distance. He ran to his mother and asked, "When can we go home, Mother, so that I can see the trains again?" "Soon," she said. Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked terribly upset every time he heard the whistle. Grandpa Ray loved his grandson very much and did not like to see him unhappy. Grandpa Ray thought about what he could do to make Robbie happy. Then he had an idea. He bought some wood and collected all his tools. Then he called Robbie out to the orchard in front of the house and they began to work. Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track all around the orchard. Then they built a railway carriage, a platform on wheels with seats for passengers. The carriage would move along the track just like a real train. Robbie could stop and start it by pressing on or letting go of the rail. Mother came out with a little bell. Robbie and Grandpa climbed into the carriage. The bell rang. Robbie let go of the brake and the carriage moved along the track. Robbie waved happily to Mother and Grandma as Grandpa steered the train. All the children in the neighborhood came to see Robbie's railroad. Everyone got to ride on the train with Robbie. The train ran from morning until night, just like in the city. "Grandpa, you are the kindest, dearest and best grandpa in the world," said Robbie when the summer ended. "I can't wait to come back here."
So I hope you all enjoyed by watching the animation. Yes? Yes, very good. So what we will do, we will finish about this lesson. We have covered our everything. So we will go for a new words what you need to remember in this lesson. So first over there, the new words are there. Like they have given you the note. What they have given note here, in this text was written by an American author who uses the word railroad or a train station. In India we doesn't follow this because we follow the British English, so we say railway, or we can call as a railway station. Here in this lesson the author used as is railroad because he is an American author, but what we in India we say railway station or railway we call. Other new words in this lesson are brake. What is brake, student? Here brake means a device that makes a vehicle go slower or stop. A brake means what? When you have a bicycle or you have a motorcycle or a car, vehicles, in that word we have a such type of a device. With the help of that we stop or it will go to move. It helps to move slower. So brake is a device. What is steer? A turning in a certain direction. As the steering will be there in round vehicles. What it is helping here to go direction like left, right, straight. With that help of the steering we can move in a certain direction. So these are the new words, and the new words are next. Now next word is terribly upset. In this lesson we gone through this word terribly upset means very sad, when you are not having something wishing one, so you will be very sad. Okay, next one is orchard. What is orchard here? An area where fruit trees are grown from in front of your balcony, or what you have in a garden type. So in that what we have a area or a place where fruit trees can be grown, that is called as an orchard. Next one is railway track. Railway track, a set path on which trains move. Railway track is what? A set of a path on which trains move. As a road, what we have a train, cycles, everything it will move. Where railway will move on a track only. Now what is next new word is carriage. The part of a train where passengers sit. As in railway track we have a railways, isn't it? We have in a box. So carriage is where the passenger to make a place, we have a seat, so it is called as a carriage. So all about this one. So what do you need to do, students? So underline the new words, go through the lesson 1 to 2 times, you will come to know what are the new words are there. So it's all about your lesson. So have a nice day. Bye bye.